yours Nandini. Welcome back to our channel MCM, a middle class mom. Are you all waiting to know what it is that I have posted in the last video's teaser? Those are called as makhana, also known as fox nuts or full makhana. These can be taken by all the age groups from infants to the older people. Can also be taken during and after pregnancy. These are widely used in North India, but not all South Indians know much about these. If one knows the benefits of using the makhana, then everyone would start to have them in their regular diet. Nowadays, these are available in South Indian markets too. If anyone wants to buy through online, please check down the description box below for the links I have shared. Now, in this video, I am going to show some of the recipes that are suitable from infants to adults. Before going to have a look on them, please do subscribe our channel, like, share, comment and press the bell icon for the notifications. Here, these are the recipes of makhana. Actually, first I have started preparing laddus, but here I am showing you from the infant's porridge. Recipe 1. Infant's makhana cereal. While preparing for kids, firstly cut the makhana and check for any worms present in it. Roast them on a medium flame until they are crisp. When you press with your fingers, they should easily break as shown. Now transfer them into a blender and grind them into a fine powder. You can store this in an airtight container. It can be stored up to 2 months in dry and cool place if maintained well. Here, just to show you, I am preparing all in less quantity. Firstly, take 2 teaspoons of cereal powder into a bowl. Pour little hot water into it and mix well without any lumps. Here you can add breast milk or formula milk if needed. Do not add cow milk, salt, sugar, honey unless your baby is 1 year old. Now close the lid and keep it aside for 2 minutes. Here is the cereal ready to serve your baby. This is one of the best traveling foods. Recipe 2. Makhana porridge for toddlers. Firstly, into a pan, add 4 teaspoons of cereal powder. Into this, add little water and mix. Now, add 1/4 cup of milk to it and mix well. Stir continuously to avoid the lumps. Add half teaspoon of dry fruits powder. It's optional and give it a quick mix. Add little jaggery to taste. Here you can use honey instead of jaggery at the last. Stir until it thickens. Now switch off the flame and cool it down. Here the porridge is ready. Add few drops of ghee to it. Do not add more and serve it to your baby when it is warm. Do not add dry fruits powder if your baby shows any allergy to it. Recipe 3. Roasted butter makhana. Firstly, add 2 cups of makhana into a pan and roast them until they are crisp. Here, I have divided this roasted makhana into 2 parts. Now, into a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter or ghee. Then when it melts, add 1 part of roasted makhana to it. To this, add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now toss them well until all the makhanas are coated with masala. This is one of the best snacks where everyone can have from toddlers. It's ready to serve. Recipe 4. Tangy honey makhana. Firstly, take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of honey into it. To this, add a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of salt half teaspoon of chili powder and a half teaspoon of dry mango powder. Mix them well and keep it aside. Now switch on the flame and add the remaining roasted makhana which I have separated. Now to this add the honey mixture and mix well so that it has coated all the makhanas well. This is also one of the best snacks we can have. Now cool it down in a plate as shown. Now it's ready to serve. Recipe 5 Makhana Dry Fruits Laddu. Have a quick look on the ingredients. Full makhana 2 cups, jaggery half cup. If the jaggery is in powdered form, you can take 3/4 cup. Dry fruits half cup. I took almonds, cashews and few walnuts. Walnuts are completely optional. Roasted peanuts 1/4 cup. Cardamom powder half teaspoon. Into a pan, add makhanas and roast them until they are crisp and keep them aside. Now to the same pan, add the dry fruits and roast them until they are golden color and crisp. Now firstly, grind the roasted makhanas into a fine powder. Take it into a bowl and keep aside. Now grind the peanuts coarsely and add into the same bowl. Here I didn't peel the skin off peanuts. If you don't like, you can peel off the skin after roasting the peanuts. Now grind the dry fruits into a coarse powder. Do not grind it into a smooth powder. Make it as a coarse. Now keep them aside and heat a pan. Into this add the jaggery first. As I have told you before, you can add 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. Here it is in a liquid form, so that I took half cup. To this add 1/4 cup of water. Mix well and melt the jaggery. Bring this to a boiling point and boil it for 2 minutes. When you get a one string consistency, then put it on a low flame and start adding all the ground powders to it. Mix well. Now you can add a pinch of ilachi powder to it and mix well without forming any lumps. When everything gets mixed up without any lumps, switch off the flame and let it cool down for 2 minutes. Now you can add 1 teaspoon of ghee to it and mix well. Don't let it cool down completely. To form the laddus, it should be warm enough. Now grease your hands with ghee and start making the small balls or laddus when it is warm. I have prepared the laddus in a lemon size. Prepare all the laddus as shown and keep them aside. This is a nutritious, rich food which can be given to your kids too. They love and enjoy eating them. You can give them from the age of 1 year. These are the 5 recipes that I have prepared which can be given from infants to the older. Hope you all would like this. You too give a try and share your feedbacks through the comments. Do you have no time to cook? Are you fed up with cooking? Then see you soon with a solution. Thanks for watching.